Everyone's walking around with this weak mindset. You hear it all the time. I'll try. Try? Bro, you already failed. You try, baby. Here's the truth. If you want to change your life, physically, mentally, spiritually, it starts with commitment. Say it with me. I will, not I will try. Let's kill the try baby in your head today. I used to scroll social media aimlessly. No direction, no purpose. Now, I use it to learn. I study creators on Twitter, or maybe we call it X now, and YouTube. They are my favorite platforms. I save notes, I apply them. I turn free content into results. Social media can be your tool or your trap. You choose. I've seen family and friends sink into depression. Nothing changes because they don't change. Just reels, dopamine, repeat. Don't be that guy. Be the man you're proud of. This defeated mindset is destroying men everywhere. Men who should be leading their families, raising their standards, inspiring others. Instead, they are watching other people live. Don't be that guy. You want to lead your family? Start with you. Be the man they respect, with presence, power, purpose. Step 1. Start working out daily. Even 30 minutes count. At least 3 times a week for strength training. Walk, move, be active. No excuses. Step 2. Eat like your brain and body matter. Intermittent fasting, keto, high protein, clean food, junk, just once a week. Step 3. Schedule your life. Use the calendar app to block workouts. Use the Zero app for intermittent fasting. Water Minder for hydration. Lose It for food tracking. Apple Watch to remind you to move. Strong app for the gym. Reminders app for tasks. Step 4. Crowd out time wasters. If your day is packed with purpose, there's no room for scrolling and no room for depression. Step 5. Build a routine. Routines build structure. Structure builds a strong mind. And a strong mind wins. So stop being a try baby. This isn't about abs. This is about being the man you respect in the mirror. Discipline is love. For yourself, for your family, for your future. Say goodbye to the defeated mindset. And say this, I will. Comment I'm ready if you're done being a try baby. Like this video and share it with your brothers. Subscribe for more no fluff, no BS, mindset and fitness. You got this!